What's up, Amazon Flex drivers? I want to go through something that somebody asked me in my comments about how to deal with a package when it's undeliverable. If you're having an issue at a drop-off, customer's not available, something with an animal maybe you can't get to the house because of flooded waters over a road or something crazy like that, or you just simply can't find the location because the GPS is incorrect. What do you do when you need to return the package? How do you go through this situation? So I want to go do an Amazon Flex route today. I'm going to pull up on my screen what actually is going to take place, where you need to go to on the app to get this figured out and make sure you handle it as smoothly as possible. Let's get to it. Well, everybody, I finished up that Amazon Flex order, and I want to go over the 3 steps that are going to be real crucial to you if you come into a situation where you cannot deliver a package on an Amazon Flex route. So let's start with number 1. You need to be on the screen as you're headed towards a customer, and you just need to go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the question mark that's in a circle. So tap that on the top right-hand corner, hit that question mark, and what that will do, it will bring up the help page. There's a bunch of different options on your help page there, but the one you need to choose is unable to deliver. And I want you all to note, when you choose unable to deliver a package, your item will be returned to the station. So that means by you. Number 3, it's going to pull up beyond the help page. Why can't you deliver the package? There's several different options in there. There needs to be a reason as to why you can't get that package delivered. So go ahead and choose the reason for that. If there was an aggressive dog, if the GPS was off, whatever the reason may be, and make sure you select that item. And once you select that, finish the process for the undeliverable package. At the end of your route, you're gonna have to return it back to the station. So once you complete your route, go back to the station. Sadly, that could be a lot of driving for people, but when you do that, you're gonna have to go back to the station, talk to a member of the team there, and have them walk you through the process to return that package into the warehouse. One more time, step number 1, click on the question mark in the top right hand corner of the screen as you're going to the customer or you're at the customer. Step 2, on the help screen, choose unable to deliver. Step 3, it will pop up more options. Make sure you select why can't you deliver the package. And step 4, at the end of your route, go ahead and go back to the warehouse, communicate to a member there, and get the package returned to the warehouse staff. This is not something I wish for anyone to have to go through. I don't like the idea that someone has to go all the way back to the warehouse, especially on many of these routes that you end up 30 miles, 50 miles away from the original spot you picked up at. Not a pleasant experience for anybody, but right now that's what they have you do, and these are the steps you need to do to manage an undeliverable package. I hope this was helpful for everybody. I wish you all the best. Take care.